Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to delete your Google Map search history. So, if I want for example to here and I want to map Google or Google Maps, here we go. And then I opened it on my phone or my PC. It doesn't really matter where I have opened it. And let's say for example, I searched for example Madrid over here and I went here and for example I searched here. I did something else, I don't know, but yeah, as you can see this is like the everything that you can see here. So this is like my search list, which is the search history. So how can I actually delete the search history in my map search? So there's actually too many ways. The first one, which is going to history, and from here guys you can just delete this from here, or to be more specific you can just write here Google Maps and then select all the files that had relation with Google Maps, and they will be deleted from your browser. So remove, and here as you can see there have been removed some of them, but the latest one because I have just opened it, that's why it is not removed and I'm still on the map, so that's why it didn't get removed. So this is like the main way how to actually delete it. You can also delete it by actually going to settings through here, but it is not sufficient like going to history from your browser, since this one actually deleted permanently. So if I close from here, I select these from here, and basically if I click on delete, they will not delete only like the search history, they will actually delete even the data and everything that has relation to it. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually search in Google Maps and later on delete the search history from your Google Maps search. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.